Hi, I'm Marco Panizza. I'm the European Application Manager for Vicor. Our products are used in a wide variety of applications, from railways to telecommunications. Today I'm going to talk to you about the challenges of the oil and gas industries and show you some examples on how Vicor helped engineers to develop power supplies that meet the stringent requirements of this kind of market. Systems to be used in extraction and refining have to meet some pretty strict requirements. Although they tend to be expensive, so engineers are rarely constrained by cost, developing products for this market is still challenging. Reliability is a key consideration. With a high financial cost of failure in the best case and the potential for loss of life and huge cost in the worst case, power systems must have a long MTBF. The environment in which the equipment must operate is harsh, with wide operating temperatures and resistance to shock and vibration common requirements. Oil and gas installations can be large and complex, leading to requirements for wide input voltage ranges, both AC and DC, and the capability to deal with transients such as spikes and brownouts. Reliability can be improved through the use of redundant systems, although for power supply designers, this requires careful development to ensure a smooth switchover in the case of a fault. Finally, there are many international safety standards that must be met, requiring products that are able to achieve certification. Let's have a look at some specific application of Vicor products. The designers of a land seismic sensor unit needed a converter that could generate an 85-volt output from a 12-volt car battery input to supply the unit through a very long cable with minimal I²R power loss. As this portable system was to be used in rough terrain, the DC-DC converter also needed excellent shock and vibration immunity. The Vicor module proved a perfect solution, generating the high output voltage direct from a 12-volt input. To meet the demands for a very wide operating temperature and tight physical constraints, we also supplied a module with a modified base plate to the customer specification. Flow control and monitoring systems for refineries and extractions are some of the most complex process control systems. With long cabling and the high cost of erroneous readings or operation of controls in error, engineers are particularly concerned with the EMI performance of converters in these applications. Many of these systems use our accessory products to ensure reliable operation even in the harshest of electrical environments. Our filtering solutions include the Vicor QPI active input filter and the front-end input attenuation module, also known as FIAM, which adds transient protection and inrush current limiting for even more demanding environments. Many of the applications in the oil and gas industries involve remote systems. They range from deep-sea exploration systems, where remotely operated vehicles are used for underwater surveying, to mechanical moles that crawl through pipelines to inspect them from the inside. Almost all of these applications are characterized by very harsh environmental conditions, as well as requirements for small size and lightweight. Power supplies must be extremely rugged to cope with the shock and vibration that is associated with remote operation. As all Vicor modules are encapsulated, they are particularly able to cope with these requirements. Remote systems are connected through very long cables, in some cases more than 1 mile long. A high voltage is used to transmit power, minimizing the I²R loss in the cable. The converter must be able to cope with a wide input range, as voltage will be dropped in the cable, and must also step down the voltage efficiently. Vicor is used in many other high reliability applications. The key factors in this case are the high reliability and the rugged construction, but there are other factors that are a winning advantage for this kind of application. Among these are the capability of delivering products in small or medium volume, our wide range of accessory products such as transient suppression and switches for redundant application, and the wide input range that we can cover with our products. Vicor products also offer special output voltages, enabling engineers to pick up the right product for their application without compromising with the specification. High power density and low noise are, of course, a complement to the advantage points of our products. Finally, all our modules went through complex approval processes and meet most of the international standards, and therefore this avoids the risk of incurring in difficulties when approving the complete system as designed. There is a lot more information at vicoreurope.com. In addition to product data, you can access our extensive technical library and get information on designing high reliability and safety critical systems. And you can improve your knowledge of power supply designs by taking our tutorial videos. In alternative, you can send an email to videos@vicorpower.com, and I will be glad to help you out answering all the questions should you have. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos.